Hey, first grade! Today we will brainstorm ways on how to make a friend. And we will do this by drawing pictures, drawing the steps on how to make a friend. And we're going to do this so that we can show the correct steps and how to do something. First, we're going to read the story Do Unto Otters. Listen to the story by clicking on the picture. So what are some ways to make a friend? Think about that for just a second. You can use some ideas from the story or some ideas that you already know. Think of some ideas that are ways to make a friend. Could you smile at them? Yeah, that's one way to make a friend. Could you walk over to them and say hi? Yes. Could you ask them if they want to play with you? Sure, that's one way to make a friend. Are there any more ways to make a friend? Who can think of something else? Now, you're going to stop the video and draw these 4 rectangles in your journal. Then in each rectangle, you're going to draw what you would do to make a friend. This is what you would do first. This is what you would do second. This is what you would do next. And this is what you would do last. Draw your pictures clearly so you can write about them tomorrow. Now you are going to record yourself describing your steps to make a friend and turn it in to your teacher. So let's review what we talked about today. We talked about different ways to be a friend. We read a story that talked about different ways to be a friend and be kind. We also drew pictures in order from first, second, next, and last on how to be a friend. Then the last thing you did was to record yourself describing your steps. You're going to record yourself describing these pictures that you drew and turn it into your teacher. Have a good day. Bye.